guys, it's Shadelle here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. It's been like 2-3 weeks since the last time we saw each other, and I know you guys, I haven't forgotten about you. You know, I'm a busy woman. Just finished my MBA, working full-time, going back for another master's in IT, trying to live life, managing sponsorships and collabs, and just trying to live my best life. It's a lot, but I wouldn't trade it for the world. But I'm back, you guys. So for today's video, it's not a makeup video. I partnered with LAVY hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how I install my units in an easy go-to. This is the easiest hairstyle you can achieve. And I think it's perfect for summer because like hair's not in your face, but it's still down and you're not too hot and all that. I got a full lace frontal wig. It's their Indian in 14 inches. So I know you guys love affordable and I know you guys love good quality. But anywho, the only con I have with this wig is I don't know if my head is just too big. Like I know I have a big head, but I've never had this issue before with where I usually order. But like you guys probably can't tell, but like I don't know if the wig is small. Like I didn't check. I didn't check, and I didn't ask if their wigs came in like different sizes for like different head sizes. I assumed it was just a one size fit. It's like so the wig doesn't come all the way down to my hairline. So on the side, I have my own sideburns. Usually my wigs can come up a little bit and can cover my sideburns. But on this one, it doesn't come all the way down. So like, this is like the lace right here. And that's why I said I had to cut it, because like, I had to tug the pull. It was very snug, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense. But if you can see, the wig doesn't come all the way down, so I just had to tweak it. But it still came out nice. I think it still looks natural. You can't really tell. I mean, I just keep the hair, of course, over this. You can't really tell, especially with it having like this like wavy look to it. I don't have the baby hairs out, but I liked how it just naturally laid once I put the wig on, so I left it. But until then, I just wanted to show you guys how I install my wigs in a super quick, and when I say super quick, I mean less than a minute, quick summer fun hairstyle that you can just a couple of bobby pins here and there, and boom, you're ready to go with this nice up down look. But let's go ahead and get into this video. All right, so as you can see, it's like a nighttime, and it's actually a day after I installed this. So like I said, after I install my unit, I usually like to install my units during the nighttime or at night, because I like to at least sleep with or have a scarf around my edges, the perimeter where I apply the boho cream, so that it can really be secure and like really seep into it, because that boho is like really tacky. So once you really get it up in there, it ain't going nowhere. You see that? Nowhere. So now this is the next stage. So I have the Indian Wave. This is a 14-inch. And like I said, this is a super quick, easy install if you're on the go, a style. So usually when I have wigs that have like a wave or a curl, I like to hold on to that curl, because I feel like once you get rid of it, like the curl or the pattern actually comes in, it's so hard to get it back. I don't know if they like wand curl it or whatever before they send it to you, but they do it so bomb, and I can't wand curl to save my entire life. So one of my favorite go-tos in the summer is the half up, half down. Super cute, super easy. Hair is not in your face, so it's not all, you're not all hot and muggy and all that stuff. So I just literally like to take some hair. It's literally like a, just like I can't do anything with my left hand. And boom. Super easy install, super easy hairstyle. Do you guys see this tan though? Do you see this tan? Do you see this tan? I have on no makeup. I just have on lip gloss. I just put some lip gloss on. But I have on no makeup. My tan is popping. My skin is popping, like, it's so bomb. My tan is lit. I love when I have a tan with dark hair. I look so bomb. So yeah, you guys, that is it for this. I'm more than likely going to straighten this hair, and I will show you guys what it looks like straightened on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me at Shadelle G. But I'm definitely going to straighten it. I'm going out of town this weekend, and I know I want to wear it straight, so I'm going to definitely see how the hair looks and feels and holds up in the humidity and the heat, and I will get back to you on that. So by the way, if you guys have not went over to my blog, I've been still drinking my TEAMI tea. And yeah, I wrote my review about it on my blog at shadellegoodson.com. Detox cleanse worked very well for me. If you head over to that website, you can use Shadelle15 to save 15% off on your order. Other than that, thank you as always for tuning into my video, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Bye.